Good afternoon, Denise DeLauder here. I'm going to show you how to make this pretty card for more of a masculine type card, and you can really put any kind of sentiment here that you want, but we're just going to try it with the one that came with the set. So I'll be using this set from Stampin' Up called Reflected in Nature, and we'll start with a normal 8.5 by 5 1/4 piece of cardstock that's been scored down the center. And so we're just going to take this bone folder and crease it very nicely. And then I'm going to take this piece of tan colored cardstock, and I believe it's crumb cake in the Stampin' Up community, and it's 5 1/4 by 4 inches. And we're going to run it through the embossing folder. So I'm going to use this folder that looks like trees, and I'm simply going to put it inside. And then I have a bottle with just water in it, so I'm just going to do one spritz, and I'll be right back. So I ran it through the Platinum 6 machine, and look at how beautiful that came out. It's really nice. It's got the tree limbs. It looks like a nice cedar, possibly. And then I'm going to put adhesion on the back of that. So that's ready to go. So then I'm going to take the Stamparatus, which is already set up, well used as you can tell, and I'm going to place this piece of cardstock on here, and I have it marked, and I actually use some Dado underneath it so that it stays nice and stuck to the paper in here. But you can use magnets for any kind of normal piece, but since we're going right to the edge, I decided to use the Dado. And this is from Stampin' Up. It's called Secret Sea. So, I don't know if you can see that. I'm going to ink up this side where the stamp is. It's a nice new pad, so it's nice and sticky and juicy. And I'll lay this, I'll fold this over, and then I'm just going to, and look at how beautiful that came out. So this is ready to get placed onto my piece of Secret Sea cardstock as a mat. So again, I'm just going to put adhesion in each corner. And this goes in here quite nicely. Well matted. This is actually a pretty quick card. So on the back, I'm going to use 4 dimensionals. Leave a little room in the top for the eagles, so I'm going to position this on the card about there, I guess. Next, I'm going to stamp the sentiment. So I have the sentiment, breathe deep. I will ink that up. And I'm going to position it and then to give it that nice flag on the end, I'm going to butt up the end of the sentiment into the mat so that it's nice and even on this end. And then I'm going to snip right in the center for as deep as I want the flag to go, and then go from the corner of the blue to that cut. And this will go right to the edge of the tan piece of cardstock. All right. So then I have a scrap piece, and I'm going to stamp this eagle on this piece of scrap paper. And through the beauty of TV, we will fast forward through this so you won't have to watch me cut this. And then for the inside, I don't like having it just the same color. I'm going to make it look like a card. So I've got this piece of white cardstock that is cut at 5 1/4 by 4. And we'll place this inside. And voila. Beautiful masculine card. Thanks.